Fun.
Roll out. Roll out.
Make it hot. Come on. Let's go.
All right, 3 contestants. They get a minute each, and DJ Venom will be one of the judges along with Simmer Rooney.
And the keys to the Bimmer Rooney.
There you go. First up, CGF.
Hear me, I say no man, get a youths. Hold out, no man. Yeah. Them say the little that a poor man own earn more than the rich of many wicked. Me always take them talk from mother, cause me see a true. Get a youths. Never give up, life we a live up. No one see no gun, no knife me nah pick up. Touch the road, police stick me up. Say me look like a criminal, them want fi lock me up. Never give up, life we a live up. No one see no gun, no knife me nah pick up. Touch the road, police stick me up. Say me look like a criminal, them want fi lock me up. Life is a gamble, believe in yourself and no mixing around. Do you be yourself and just humble. When your mother talk, you do not bother grumble. Cause my mother ever did it for me. She bring me 9 months, never dash with the belly. So my mother like me have to make it happy. She teach me in a life, you know, big nobody get to youths. Never give up, life.
All right, DJ Venom, CGF. How much you give him out of 5?
I give him a 3. I think he needs to work on his breathing a little bit more.
And his pitch.
3.
I'm going to go 3 too.
All right, so 6 out of 10. Dre Voyage is up next.
It's a Dre Voyage I represent for every ghetto youth. Never really get to make it out. Yeah? Day in the out, me not the studio till my throat sore. The marks more I'm coming from, I'm support more. I'm stepping up while yours is standing on the first floor. I'm so talented, wondering how comes I'm still poor. Heights by great men, me ready for the journey. Oh, you for want it and you know work, you never earn it. Who get the most firms are the ones that come early. So on the battlefield, you have to strong, you have to sturdy. Me help them out, them same one come burn me. Lesson they are so one, me I hope say you learn it. After you cross the bridge, my beg you to my friend no burn it. Pay attention to your friends more, hypocrites around way. Me give you love but none to me, you never show back. You deal with me like say to you something more owe that. You tell me some I could do it but now me do it. You I walk, I tell people how much you didn't know that. But all this song is a reminder like the show back. Cause me are
All right.
I'll give him a 4.5.
4.5 out of 5.
Tune bad like teeth.
Can't get much
That is a
better
5.
than that. You give him a 5.
That's a 5.
So 9
Some
and
smart
a
lyrics
half
and well
out of
arranged.
10. Culture Kid, you ever get a full 10 for win this, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is the voice of Culture Kid. Understand? I see you get to youth. When things now go on, just go on with the faith. Everything is just for a matter of time. Jah no give no man more than what them can bear. Understand me, I say. In my life, it never is no. I've been facing hard life so long. Yeah, many times I feel like give up, but that I was there to tell me no. He said, son, one day better will come. Alright then. Faith let me be the man I am today. And if me never strong, maybe me woulda passed away. Cause when me look back on when me been through, and so me know Jah love me. I am a survivor.
Venom.
I'll give him
Do
4.
we have time for calls?
4.
Yeah, I'll give him 4.
All right. Simmer.
Whatever, I give him whatever it takes to tie the last guy so that the audience can break the...
So you give him 5.5.
Yes.
All right, so 9.5. All right. We're going to take a quick break, but if you know where yesterday's Best of the 90s will be held, give us a call, 733-246-126 for a chance to win a pair of tickets to the event, plus and a rare nephew. plus and
Yes.
Ariane have your gift
Yes, in
basket. So you
addition.
win plus and again